Like, I don't know what he is thinking. He's trying to see, like, clearance or something, but no way in hell we're getting through this. And it's raining. Oh my gosh. What are you doing?
Got that?
We do not got that. Is there something wrong with your head?
What are you doing?
Videoing your stupidity right now.
Why?
It's a terrible idea, and I'm just going to prove it to you with this video. When we drown in this gosh darn puddle right here.
You think we're going to drown?
It sounds terrible. This is a terrible idea. These are the shoes that I have on right now. It's smoking. Our car is smoking already.
It's smoking from the water touching the thing.
It's a bad idea. And you know it. Do not do it.
I think we're stuck anyways. Can't see anything, so...
Great!
What?
We're stuck.
Not stuck.
Oh, and we have no gas.
We
It's
have
just
no,
a wonderful predicament.
We have no gas, but we're not stuck yet.
Oh, this is the bad part. This is the bad part. Oh, we're flipped over. We're gonna freaking flip over right now. Oh, I'm having a heart attack. I'm dying. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, we're gonna crash. Oh, oh. God. Aaron, this is such a... Ah! We're fishing. Oh my god. Ah! Ah! This is such a bad idea. Oh god. Oh god, I'm having a heart attack. No.
If you're in a video, at least put something on, at least video something that's worth putting on YouTube.
I think I'm gonna throw up. Oh.
That was that one spot.
My God. Oh my. Oh, I don't like this at all. Can we just go home? Oh no. Oh man. This is now. Oh my god, this is like a... Oh no. Oh no.
What? We're still running.
Ah, shoot. Oh,
Actually,
Aaron.
it might not be running.
Are you kidding me?
Wait. Uh-oh.
Do not turn it on and off and on and off because you're going to break it. Honey. I told you so. Are you serious right now?
It's hard to say.
I don't have the shoes on for this.
No one has the shoes on for this, dear. We're in the middle of nowhere.
I told you this was a bad idea. I just had to get it on video so I could say I told you so. I told you so.
It's not good, honey.
You are correct, sir. I'm gonna stop the video here now. Well, we got the car back on, but this is still not very good, and we're smoking here.
Or hydrolocked.
We're hydrolocked.
I mean,
Oh, good.
something's screwed up.
Alright, I don't know if we can even see this here. I'm gonna replay this here. Okay, we're moving here. We're moving a little bit. We're moving.
I need to turn traction control off.
Okay, alright. Alright. We're in a big freaking puddle. Let me see. Okay, so we're in a big puddle here. This is a bad idea. a nice serenade from all the tree frogs here.
So we have no more VTM 4 locks. That's not good.
Why?
Because we have something wrong with the motor.
Right. Oh, baby. Alright, y'all need to start subscribing to this channel and hitting like or whatever the heck you have to do to get this to be a monetized channel, because we're gonna need some money to fix this. Oh my god. Help us right now.
Just the motor's running.
Well,
it had a check engine light. It's not, no more check engine light, so that's probably good. We got a VTM 4 error, and we're running low on gas.
Yeah, look at this. We're running low on gas. We're gonna freaking... And we're in the middle of nowhere.
You wanted an adventure, didn't you?
No, I did not want an adventure! Alright, so we're sitting in the middle of nowhere in a puddle. At least our car is on, because it was turned off a little bit ago and it wouldn't come on. And now my husband's trying to get the track pads off the top of the roof so that we can attempt to make our way out of here. I don't know why he decided to do this. But we'll see if we can get this baby out with these traction pads. So I had some really terrible shoes on, and I'm in a dress tonight because we went out for a date. But so this is the shoes I was wearing. I'm prepared. I took them off as preparation for if I need to help. So we will see if this adventure helps us get out here or not, because we really like legit have like zero gas, and this was a terrible idea. Anyways, okay, we'll film in a minute. Okay, so if you can see here, I don't know if you can, but our car is like in the water. And on top of the car, oh, wait, where the hell? Yeah, there he is. There he is. Alright, we'll see. We'll see how this goes. We'll see. My phone is dying now. That's just great. That's all we need. Alright. Get my charger plugged in. Alright, there we go.
Move my hat.
Yeah, we got the traction pads under there now?
3 of them.
Only 3? Why only 3? Oh boy.
Because the other one's stuck in the... Here we go.
Alright, maybe I should have gotten out to film this part, but I don't know.
No, don't worry about it.
Oh, snarker. Okay, alright, okay, well at least that's some forward progress. We're smoking over here. Oh, I hate this. This is so stupid. Oh boy. So we've got VTM 4 and some sort of warning symbol thing. I'm not sure. So the VTM 4 lock is not working. And, oh no, it's a Velociraptor. No, it's just Aaron. Reposition. You're gonna ruin your work clothes.
Okay, the wash.
Why are you backing up so much? Dang it! Oh my god. Okay, well.
There's only one way
Thank you,
out.
God, for helping us to make it. Oh.
Only one out. One way out at this point. Forward.
Forward march. He's getting the traction pads. Put them on the roof, right? Oh boy. Got a straggler here.
I feel like our rear wheels are not working.
good. That's just great. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh my gosh, do not
I know.
put us in that ditch.
I'm not.
Oh, Lord have mercy. I should put my seatbelt on.
No, you shouldn't.
I shouldn't? Okay, I should.
We're dealing with water.
Oh yeah, okay. Yes. If we were to flip over into this ditch in the corner over here, we want to make sure we're not seatbelted. Yeah, before you like I'm not doing it. It's like one of my nightmares.
Oh, that didn't feel good.
Oh. Okay, let's save this dragonfly. At least there's something good that can come from this. Alright, bye little dragonfly. Go on out. Go on out. Don't just hang on to my phone. Oh shoot, where'd you go? I think you flew out.
Alright, VTM4 is back online.
Okay, VTM4 is back online. Oh boy. This is such a bad.
Oh, traction control. Alright. Let's see here.
It's a whole nother ballgame when it's raining and it's muddy out. We've done this before. Probably have a video on it even.
Yeah, we do.
We've got a video on this, I guess we could try to put a link. I don't know how the heck you put a link in the description, but
No, we
whatever.
don't need to. It's one of our more recent videos.
But one of our videos has us going on this trail, but apparently when it's wet, it becomes uber slippery and very treacherous, and
Especially at night.
especially at night. Oh, but where's our little device thing?
It's in our first aid kit.
Go ahead and film this so that you guys know that we're not in total danger.
Tonight almost became a really good test of this device.
Yes, tonight was a very good test of this device. So we've got this thing. What is it called, Aaron?
It's the Spot X
Spot X.
satellite communicator.
Satellite communicator.
And then it basically sends text messages through satellite signal. But we signed up for the SOV. It stands for Save Our Vehicle.
Yes.
And they claim that for $3 a month, you can get off-road assistance and 5 vehicle tows per year for $3 a month.
So even if your phone's not working, this will communicate with satellites,
if
which
you
is
can
really
get a
awesome.
satellite connection.
You can get a satellite connection. So also, if you flip this little button right here, you can click on this button that says SOS, and we can have someone come with like a helicopter or something. I don't know what they do.
Yeah,
Come
they'll
save us.
send emergency,
They'll send emergency support
to you as quick as possible.
So, it's a pretty cool little gadget to have when you're doing this kind of craziness.
Well, if we were stuck, if we had actually completely hydrolocked and got stuck where we were, the question would be if we sent the message, how would they recover us? They claim off-road recovery with the system or with the service, but what would that even look like? All right, I need to strap my traction control pad things down, I guess, on the roof. I hear them sliding around up there.
Okay.
I thought maybe we should just have them up there just in case we need them again. But I don't know, honey. The car seems to be running good now.
Well, hopefully we didn't screw anything up too much, because, whoa, that would suck so bad. We're still not out of the woods yet here, honey.
Yeah, we're going through some pretty crazy stuff.
This is the worst stuff I think we've ever been in with this vehicle. Like, legitimately.
I've been in some pretty bad stuff.
No, I don't think you've been
I mean,
in
I don't know if I've stalled out the engine before.
Yeah, you haven't done this type of... Oh, my gosh. No. Oh, no. Okay, I don't have my seatbelt on. Just shut up.
Honey, neither of us do.
Oh. I'm gonna be sick.
I think we've made it, though, at this point. The question is,
Did our car make it?
what will the ramifications be? I think we've made it at this point. There's not too much farther to go.
Gosh, you're
And
so messy.
car's still running.
Oh man, honey, this is one of your best shirts.
Actually, it's got stains in secret spots,
Oh,
so
okay,
it's okay. All right, so we're back into regular all-wheel drive. close to where the road is. Yep, see it.
Oh, thank God. I was not even sure for a moment there. Now we're gonna have to sleep in the car.
For a little while, it looked like we hydrolocked our engine in a bad way.
Yeah. Oh. Got my seatbelt on now.
Yeah, I have mine on too.
Okay. Well,
That was fun.
not so much, but catch us on our next adventure.